right here. Yeah, right there, bro. Move, come, move. I know, come here, move. Let me take a picture of you. I will. I'm not really surprised. Don't touch, don't touch.
I said I'm not really surprised.
I want to.
You don't listen. That's your point. You don't listen. It'll try. You gotta listen. Yup. Oh, you spilled it because you don't listen. You don't listen. Oh, I have to wait until you solve it.
Cindy, get a picture of the interior.
We're not gonna take a lot. Just a few.
Is here. Curtis is here. I know that Asia is coming in today. Yeah, the IMAX. It's almost.
Sorry, don't find no bite. Exact same thing.
It was.
Yeah, he liked it. I'm assuming so.
They were supposed to have a couple hundred cars.
Yeah.